In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 24. Go to here, click here new, select here 3D practice template, click here open, then select here friend, then select here polyline, click here, make it like this. We need to create this line like this, make it 80 and make it 50. Just go to here, make it 80, then press enter. Make it here 50, then press enter, press escape key. Just go to here fillet, select here radius, make it radius 35. Just go to here 35, then press enter. Select this one and select this one. Next select here right, then go to the circle, click here. We need to make this pipe diameter 40. Just go to here, select here diameter 40, then press enter. Then go to the circle again, or you can make it offset also. Just go to here offset, make it 7, press enter. You can see here the thickness is 7. Select this one, offset inside, then select this one, these two things. Go to here copy, click here, make it here, press escape key, select this circle, delete it. Then go to here sweep, select here sweep, select this circle, press enter and select this one. Similar way, go to sweep again, select this circle, press enter, select this path. It is ready. Then make it like this, select this one, go to the move command, go near to this, click this center, just go near to this, click this center. Now this one is ready. Then select here wireframe, then go to here subtract, select this subtract, select this one, press enter, select this, press enter, then go to here, select here realistic. Now you can see here. Next we need to create the flange. You can see here this flange we need to create. You can see here flange radius 40. Just go to here, select here right, that is very important in coordinates, or you can make it in top also. Just go to here circle, click here, make it any location, just make it like this 40, then press enter. Next we need to make it this circle. You can see here this circle, this one pitch circle 31. Just go to here, select here right, that is better, make it like this. Then go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 31 pitch circle 31, press enter. This one is ready. This one actually pitch circle, just make it like this, then only you can identify this one. Then create a circle. You can see here we need to create here circle radius 4. Just go to here, click here circle, click here, make it a radius 4. Select this one, go to here polar array, then click this center. You will get it 6 quantity. We need it 6 quantity. Remove this associative like this. We don't want associative, just remove this one. Close array. Then go to here in 3D view. Now you can see very clearly. We need to extrude that one for 10 mm. Just go to here, select here extrude, make it press enter 10, then press enter, make it like this. Select this circle, delete it, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, all the location. Press escape key, select this circle, delete it, and select this also, delete it. Then select this one, go to the move command, just go near to this circle, you will get it here center, click here, then go near to this, just go near to this, shift right click, you can select here center. Now you will get it here center. Click here, select this one, press Ctrl C in your keyboard, press Ctrl C. You can copy this one, then go to here top, select here top, then press Ctrl V. You will get it here. Select this one, go to the move command, just go near to this, you will get it here center mark, then go to here, click this center, then go to here union, select this both the things, then press enter. Now this is union. Next we can make it this fillet also. You can see here radius 2. Just go to here, go to the solid, go to the fillet edge and select here radius, make it a radius 2, then press enter. Select this edge, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same here also, press double enter. Now you can see here. Now this product completely ready. We can arrange inside drawing. Just go to here, select here layout. You can inside this drawing sheet you can arrange it. Just go to the layout here, select here from model space, place it here, press enter, click here and click here and place it like this, then press enter. You can see here, select this one, you can click here, place it the scale 1:1, or you can make it 1:1.5 also. Select this one, click here, I just place it slightly this side, then select this one, click here, we can make it this one only in 1:1.5. other all the thing keep as it is. Next you can create the dimension. You can see here we need to make it this center line. For this center line, just go to here, make it a center mark, then select here annotate tab, select here center line. You can make here center line like this, press enter, repeat the same here also. Select this one, slightly adjust like this, and select this also, slightly adjust here. Next we need to make it here next circle. Just go to here circle, we can create circle or fillet, anyone you can use it. I just go to the circle, click here, make it up to here, then go to the trim tool, just trim this one, slightly arrange like this arc, then select this arc, we don't want this one, delete it. Then this one, click here, place it up to here. Similar way, select this one, click here and place it up to here. This one is arranged like this. Here you can create a center mark. Just go to here center mark, can create center mark like this and like this also. Next this pitch circle diameter is required. For that, go to here circle, click here circle, just click here, make it pitch circle diameter like this. Similar way you can make it here also. Just click here, just go near to this circle, you will get it center mark, place it here. This is all the thing. You can make it size also. Just go to the radius, you can make this one radius, press enter, you can make it this one radius, this one radius, and other all the dimension you can easily create. You can see this is linear dimension. This is all the thing you can create very easily. After that you can make changes in this title block and you can save the drawing, print the drawing.